Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down the essentials, calibrate sensitivity, and build binds so muscle memory can form. First, lower your look and aim sensitivity slightly if you overcorrect. This gives finer control. Once done, enable aim assist and set practical dead zones, then jump into creative for a 15-20 minute warm-up routine. Also rebind 3-5 critical build/edit actions to paddles or bumpers, so you can focus on movement and aim without fumbling for inputs. Now you move into structured practice to convert settings into skill. Spend 30-60 minute sessions focused on drills, tracking targets, flick shots, and controlled recoil bursts. Practice 90s and fast edits against bots to ingrain movement, time your runs, and log improvements. Once comfortable, work on transition drills, switching from low sensitivity for long-range tracking to a faster ADS for close fights, so your hands learn to adapt mid-encounter. Make sure to rest wrists and review input lag after each session. To finish, you consolidate gains and catch recurring mistakes. Record matches and review them, pick 3 recurring errors per game, and assign 1 concrete practice goal for the next session. Tweak controller settings slowly, adjust dead zones by 0, 0-2, or sensitivity by 0. 5 steps weekly until you find a stable sweet spot. If you experience input lag, troubleshoot immediately. Test wired versus wireless, update controller firmware, and remove performance overlays. If problems persist, swap USB ports and verify console performance to rule out hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.